Hello country people, this na video wey go explain tech for people wey just dey start to learn. Na African Air Tech bring am come say make you watch am. You fit call me Mimi Digital. Our video na for our people all over the world wey dey speak Pidgin, Patois or Creole. Welcome to part 2 out of the 5 videos wey we bring come, and we go talk about the front end. By the time this video go end, you suppose know wetin you wan do next with your digital tech future. You go also sabi more wetin the front end be. Make we talk about the front end well. Last time when we been talk about the front end and back end, we talk say two of them dey work together with the operating system. Now, we go talk about wetin dey the front end gangan. Anything wey you dey follow work or wey you dey use directly, whether na the software app or the computer or phone itself, as dem dey work together, wetin you dey do na front end things and you be the end user. See, e get plenty examples of things wey you fit do with the front end as person wey be end user. All these things you dey see as you dey use am na front end, and for sure e get some back end things wey dey also make am possible. So wetin be some things wey you don learn wey you no know before? Write am down. And if you wan know more, click the video. Ask yourself wetin you wan do next. You fit even share the video with another person. Try to learn things online. Check out new things wey dey happen. Abeg my sister, my brother, just do something. Na your digital future be this. To help your digital future, go our website now and send us message make you tell us how we fit do the video better pass like this. Or make you tell us which other digital tech matter you want make we explain. You fit ask questions and people wey sabi go answer. Plenty things dey our website wey you fit learn from. Thank you for watching. I go see you for the next video. Voiceover provided by Candace Voices.